Coco, again we're going to be out for shopping today. You know, I am so keen on buying footwear, accessories and clothes. But you know what? We should buy something which is more fruitful. Like, you know, something. Let's start investing in gold. What say?
You know what? I have an idea. Why don't we invest in golden chai?
What's a golden chai?
That I will let you know soon.
I am quite keen to know what is a golden chai.
So everyone, welcome back for some tea and coffee with your tea and coffee connoisseurs, Coco and Minnie. Today we are here at Panchai, where we are going to try their golden chai.
Wow, that sounds interesting. So our motto is discovering the undiscovered places about tea and coffee. So here we are discovering something about the golden tea, right Coco?
Yes, so let's try their tea and coffee and see how that is.
Quite excited.
So here is my golden chai. Let me try and see how this is. This seems yummy. So viewers, golden chai does not mean it has gold in it. So don't get confused. The golden chai has a lot of masalas which are good for immunity system, which are healthy, and it also gives you a good taste. So this is a special kind of a masala chai which is their golden chai. This seems good. The taste of the masala is really, you know, it's like mouth watering. I think I really like this chai. But along with this, I always need food. So here is my samosa. Let's try this as well. As we all know, samosa is the most popular street food in India. This is a spicy potato. It's like a bun. It's in between the bun with some chilies and the spiced potato. This is like, you know, you cannot miss having this with the chai. The vada pav, the samosas, the pakoras are very famous here if you want to accompany that with your chai and coffee in any kind of an outlet, be it a street food or be it a cafe or let it be a restaurant. So here we are with Mr. Rikshit, who's going to help us and let us know all about this place. Hello Mr. Rikshit. So can you tell us about this golden chai? I'm sure यहाँ पे जो आता होगा उसको लगता होगा कि चाय में गोल्ड है और you know सिर्फ 10-15 रुपए में उनको गोल्ड वाला चाय मिल जाता है.
Yeah, probably you are right in a certain way, but the concept is a little different.
Right.
So the golden tea is not all about the color and the name of
Okay.
it. It's about the ingredients inside the tea which are more helping the immunity to get boosted right now during
okay.
this pandemic, and it has a little spice flavor in there.
Right.
Rather than you can say a strong flavor.
It is about Coco and her tea, and she's found this amazing golden tea today. Well, never to forget, my coffee always is there wherever we hunt for tea and coffee. Very well. If you want to reduce the amount of caffeine in your body, I would suggest adding milk to your coffee as well. So here it is, viewers, Coco and Minnie are tea and coffee connoisseurs discovering the undiscovered places, and today it's been quite fun discovering about this amazing concept about golden tea. I hope they would have put some gold coin in my coffee as well today to make it golden coffee. Just kidding. Stay tuned to our channel Coco and Minnie. Do subscribe and to like the channel as well.